Welcome to Audubon in Magnolia, Texas. And boy, Magnolia is such a beautiful area and it's booming right now. So, Audubon is a peaceful master planned community surrounded by nature, walking trails, and they even have a brand new on site elementary school. And so today I'm excited to walk you through the Princeton II floor plan by Smith Douglas Homes. And right now, you can get into this home for around $2,600, and that includes principal and interest, taxes, and insurance. My name is Maria Galiotos, and I love helping families take their first step into homeownership. It's not just about finding a house, it's about helping you feel at home. Now, as soon as you walk into this beautiful floor plan, you're welcomed by a bright entryway that opens up to spacious living and dining areas. The layout is open, connected, and easy to live in. So whether you're having friends over or enjoying a quiet night in, you're gonna love this plan. The kitchen is the heart of the home, and with an oversized island, lots of counter space, and a clear view into the family room, it's perfect for cooking, entertaining, or helping with homework while dinner's on the stove. One of the best features, the primary bedroom is located on the first floor. It's quiet and private. It's tucked away from the rest of the house. The bathroom includes double sinks, a walk-in shower, a soaking tub, a spacious closet. I mean, it's just a peaceful spot to start and end your day. Upstairs, you'll find a cozy loft that can be a game room, a movie room, or a home office. There are 3 more bedrooms, perfect for kids, guests, or even your first home office or nursery. The floor plan gives you room to grow into, not out of. Now, guys, take a look at this view. Yes, you can have this view here. It's awesome. Beautiful forest setting. Just think of having your coffee here in the morning, or a glass of wine at night, or just playing with your kids. It's gorgeous. I'm Maria Galiotos, real estate advisor, and if you're thinking about buying your first home and want a place that feels peaceful, practical, and full of potential, I'd love to help you. Let's make your first home a reality.